Hi guys, it's me, your video gamer Fitzadlocks, and I'm playing Life Together RP with my cousin. I mean, wait, go say hi. Hi. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, okay. You're going to change. You can go to outfits and go to trending. There's like this one. Go to outfit and trending. Outfit here. Go to trending. There you go. Just wait for it. Here, just look, and you can customize it. Go, and don't mind my head is floating because this is headless, guys. I customized my own avatar. You better try this on trending in outfits. Oh my god.
Guwapo.
Okay, I'm gonna change my avatar. Okay, my outfits.
Ang gwapa.
I'm gonna change. Hoy, dapat may English ka. I'm gonna change my outfit, guys. I'm gonna change.
Guwapo dapat. Arang gwapa oh. Harao kay Sopeng.
I'm gonna try this one. Where? I'm gonna try this one, guys.
Hindi ko kabalo mag-English.
Okay, guys.
My name is Ulos.
No, makaano gani ka? Post pa yan ako ng YouTube.
Uyo. Ulit
I can't
record.
change my
Pag-ulit record.
I can't record it back, you stupid idiot.
Pag-record ulit.
I'm not gonna record again. Why can I record?
Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, that looks good.
I'm
Cedric.
Cedric. My name is Cedric.
No one
And Arolius.
No one
Hindi pa ako tapos
That's my stupid cousin, guys. That's my stupid cousin. I'm gonna do this Adidas.
Where's the
Adidas.
I saw.
Let's do this Adidas or animation. Let's do this one, guys. Okay, yes. Wait for my cousin. She's taking so long. Why you cannot talk? You're shy. They're my fans. I literally have 2.18k or 19k subscribers.
What?
Yeah.
19K?
Yeah. I'm gonna show you. Guys, she's going to play Life Together for a minute. She's going to play Life Together for now, and I'm going to show her my YouTube channel, guys. So, I'll be back. Bye.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I'm recording. Yes.
Oh my God.
This is me and my bestie matching, guys. I make this. Wait. I just make this.
Oh, diba? Look.
What?
Diba?
Grab yours now and enjoy a fresh.
Yes, I make
Paano
that.
yung magpupunta?
I got screen record. This is my shorts, guys. This is mine.
Oh my
And I
God.
said this one.
This looks good.
Yeah, and this one. Wait. I'm playing MM2, guys. So my shorts. This one is so funny. These also comment so funny. That's why I almost laughed at this
I'm
game.
recording now.
See?
I'm a YouTuber. I post this on YouTube. You're now on YouTube now.
See, guys. This is so funny,
Want to play with me?
guys. It's so funny,
Want to
guys.
play with me?
That's why I almost laughed at this game. So, this is me and my bestie playing Tower.
We are now
She
playing.
is the first one.
Okay?
Oh!
I played the. By the way,
Yeah,
let me get the skin tones. Ready?
Wait. Can I see if you have screen record in your phone?
Yappy.
Screen record? You
Yay!
don't have screen record, so you cannot record.
Magduwa kami.
Look at me, look at mine. 2.22k.
Kung sa magbutog ano, o YouTube.
YouTube just post a video.
Magbubuhat ko, be.
Yeah. Just go. Just make a video.
Where are you?
So, guys,
You're leaving.
Aray, saan eh? Mag-vlog na ko? Mag-vlog na ko?
yeah. See, guys, this is me and my bestie.
Hi guys, it's me, your
See?
video gamer, Pencil Box, and I'm
Sige na. Yung mag-vlog na ko, Ping.
my bestie. Okay, please. Hi guys, my name is
Don't mind that. Don't mind my boy cousin.
Saan eh? Saan eh?
What?
Saan eh?
What? Just press this press this one and record something.
Man. Saan eh?
Look at man. It's all mine here. I record.
Mari mag-record
guys.
ko?
I record. Yeah. You record.
Unicorn.
What unicorn? Oh heck na.
Ping! Unsaon ni Ping?
Uy.
Saan eh?
Oh, I cannot make YouTube again, guys.
TikToker man ko.
Kani kabalo ko. I hacked my bestie's account the last time that
Si
I
Bibi
played.
na magdudula na imo.
So,
Kasi siya. Ping ginagaw ni mo, Ping. Gadula ko man siya, Ping.
Where are you, Pencil?
Lingaw man siya,
wait, guys. I'm gonna play Roblox now. So,
Oh my god.
let's try to play this again. So, if you want to friend me, this is my account, guys.
Okay na,
Friend me
mag-voice na
first.
ko. Meron ako.
No?
Okay.
Mag-voice na ko.
Okay, let's play mic
Yeah,
up.
mag-voice na mi, Ping.
Mic up. Let's play
Pangitan
mic
mo.
up.
Ugly? Ugly out
Alam nga
there?
ba? That's my
No, pretty.
Beauty
That's
tips.
You did your ticket with
Bawal.
Look at this. Pretty outfit. Huh?
Unsa ni?
I have
Paano
one shot
ni?
because that's in that
No?
that's because it's unavailable for you and it's not available for me and
Oh, guys. Jump.
you wanna make me embarrassed.
You're coming from.
Guys, why is he following me?
Don't jump.
Why is he following me, guys?
Don't jump.
Why is he following me? Guys, why everybody's following me? Because I'm a YouTuber or never mind. And oh my god, man, what is that one? So, guys, let's go to this house right here. Look,
What is that?
I'm playing voice chat right now. Mic up, but you cannot join me. You have to get voice chat. Or maybe
Bala ka, iba na ko account ni Perchel, be.
you can hack to my bestie's account.
Bala da.
You can just play another game.
Ibanta ka.
No.
No!
Bala.
Don't ban me! I'm literally recording, guys. My cousin is trying to ban me.
Report.
The other game.
Don't ban me!
Report kita. Kaya di ko ipa-join.
Fine, I'll play another game. I'll play another game.
Tapos,
No!
waterclaw.
No, I'm literally out now. Guys, he's trying to ban me. Say don't ban me. So,
Ano ni bullying?
let's play this one. Catch my heart emotes testing, guys.
Kita.
Guys, he's trying to ban me, guys. Ask him don't let me ban.
Bullying ka.
I'm not bullying. He's the one who's bullying me, guys.
Hack.
Okay, please.
Don't hack. Or I'm gonna tell you to my fans.
Oh?
No! No!
Block this person.
No! Don't ban me or I'ma kick your butt, man.
Oh my god. I can't play.
He's trying to ban me, guys.
I played it before.
Wala na. Wala ka na.
What?
Wala ka na. Ni-block kita.
Don't block me.
Ano?
At least I can still play in my dad's phone. So, guys, let's do this one.
What?
Beauty and Beat.
Birigan.
Doon mo nang ginadula pa yun. Sa'yo kita na ayaw ko na ganina.
this one.
This collection. Wait.
Budula ko ni Fred. Aloy ka.
Okay.
Ay. Ayan, ito ba?
See guys.
Max level na.
This. Look. Let's do this one. Here. Yeah, you can do that.
Igat ka ayo. 6-7. Look for 7.
Do this one. See guys, it's cool. Try this game.
This place.
See guys. See guys. Let's play this game, guys. Buy what they're wearing. Okay, guys, we buy. If I can afford. There's nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it because I don't have Robux. I don't have Robux, guys.
Ah,
So
basta sige ko. Jinja kon.
let's play this one. Like, let's play Boys and Girls High School. Never mind. So guys, don't play this one because it's too fast. Let's play this Body Tower, guys.
Oh,
Let's play this Body Tower. Let's play this one.
Gagi spaghetti toilet. Play ko pa na kanina.
Let's play this Body Tower. Guys. Bye.